What's up everybody, Logan here, and FT Tiger is back with another brand new project. So guys, today we're going to be diving down into what is known as BIBI Foundation. It's basically a meme coin on Binance Smart Chain. And this exchange has no KYC, so you can easily complete the registration and jump in, and you can easily start trading from here. They have a very strong collection also, and you can see the best potential inside, and I'm sure you will be satisfied to see all the details. And here you can see you can select different types of trading volume, so it's up to you. Okay, so before start explaining this project, let me tell you first that it's not a financial advice. Do it with your own risk, study this platform, and take your time. And if you think it's perfect, so you can join that. And some of the area, I think it's not working, so you have to use VPN. And I'm sure when you use VPN, so you can easily avoid that. And here it's working, so I will guide you how you can join. So I saw that they have a very strong community on Twitter. So all the information, all the details regarding this platform and regarding a BIBI Foundation is given. And I saw today on YouTube, and there was massive opportunity for my community. So you can see there all the details about Mimi. You can learn more about their story and art network details and read more about that. So let's come back on the main page, and I will guide you step by step how you can join that and how it can become profitable for you if you jump in. A unique meme coin and acts as experiment and decentralized exchange. You can copy the address, and you can easily buy the meme coin by using BNB. So here you can see how you will buy the chart and learn more. All details is given. So here's the detail given. BIBI is a purely community-driven organization. So all the detail is given. It's very important to study that, because when you study that, you will be satisfied all the details about the project. Because people jumped in without verifying the project, because each day lots of projects are there, so you have to be careful. So mission, we will be build an educative, inclusive, and inclusive community on ecosystem. So ecosystem में भी काफी community vision. BIBI aim to accelerate its growth and become the most transparent leadership community. We will encourage and benefits to the BIBI ecosystem. Ideology, BIBI stand for believe in yourself and ignore the FUD. And you can see by Ted to corner where you are and listed on what you insist. So all the details are given, each and everything is mentioned. It's perfect for you, and you will be updated with all the news. How to buy, basically it's very important to tell you how you can buy that. So you can create your wallet also. Next you can see here more information you can get from here, and you can check their mission, you can check their vision, all the details. It's very, very important for you. Okay guys, so these are the information that I'm providing you, and it's basically it's for your knowledge, and you can join their community. It's very important. All links are mentioned in the description. I will post all the links in description, so you will be updated with upcoming news. How you can buy that? So you need to create a wallet and get some BNB. It's very important. You can connect your MetaMask or other optional network, or will be available. You can easily. So go to exchange. So you can go to PancakeSwap, and where you can see AVE or DEX tool. So this is the buying method. It's very important to tell you. Next you can see the search BNB for $BIBI. When you click on that, your BNB will be converted to BIBI, and you can easily save them. And when the time comes and the BIBI achieves its target, you can easily sell out and get more reward from here. So you can see set BNB BIBI, we have 0 tax. There is no tax, so it's good news for you. Tokenomics, so BIBI ecosystem is open for everyone to build. Everyone developed to ecosystem by creating the tokens and economics that suits it. So it's up to you. Everything is your hand, and you can easily join. Tokenomics, here you can see token number, name is BIBI, token supply, you can see tax, you can see here zero tax, other features they have, liquidity pool burn, and contract permission, you can see re-announced. And next you see token distribution, you can see his black hole 3.40%, and liquidity pool 96.54%. So it's acceptable, and I'm sure you can see 96 point something, you can see upper corner, and you get more information from here. Okay, if you scroll down a bit guys, तो यहाँ पे आपको मज़ीद information भी देखने को मिलेगी. So each and everything is in front of your face. You need not worry about anything. If you have any question guys, you can jump in, join their community, and get more information regarding this project. So Twitter available, Telegram available, all links are available, and you can get more information. Here you can see the phases, and CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listing on 50,000 holders, get BIBI trending on social media, what was. Next you can see the meme coin on BSC community partnership BIBI, and next digital newsletter, the exchange listing. Next you can see BIBI Academy, BIBI ecosystem development, exchange listing, plus 500,000 holder. So next they have very strong community, partner community, and none of the project can be successful without active and strong partners community. So they have very, very strong partner community. Here you can see the valid partners. You can see here Token Pocket. Next you can see MetaMask, Chinebox, and Onto. And next project partners, here you can see all very strong. Ecosystem partners you can see here, and contact us address is available, and you can see on Twitter, Telegram, Medium, and Discord. So all options are available for you. Just jump in, become the member of the community, and I'm sure you will be updated with upcoming news regarding this project. Okay, this was the detail about that, and it's very important to tell you because I was finding out some best projects, so this was looks to me it's perfect. So here you can see the BIBI story, BIBI network, all the detail is given. You can see the BIBI community, and here's the detail given. And you can study all the detail, and you will be satisfied all the informations and all the detail regarding this project. It's very important to verify because in all projects I force to my community. Here you can see you can use hash VRBB, and you can easily use them. So BIBI story, so here's the stories detail is available, and next you can see more information are given, and you can easily watch all the details, all the information. So I will post all the links in description. Okay, I will post the links in description. Just click on the links and get more information regarding this project. It's very important. It's very, very important for you, and I'm sure you will be updated with upcoming news also. So it's very, very important for you. Okay guys, next I told you how you can buy that, and I already told you about the tokenomics on the roadmap and contact address. Each and everything is mentioned here, and it's a perfect idea. Next, here you can see guys, once again we will see the chart, and here's the detail given, and I'm sure you will be satisfied to see that. You can see here the details and the trade volume, and